Hello everybody, welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thanks for joining us. As always, we really appreciate it. Do these drawings for fun. It's a fun hobby. We enjoy sports. Hope you guys like these drawings. Please subscribe if you do. It really helps the channel, helps us grow, helps us get more exposure when you like and comment and share and subscribe. We appreciate it. So today we are going to draw George Pickens of the Pittsburgh Steelers. George Pickens played for the Georgia Bulldogs in college, a second-round draft pick to the Steelers in 2022, was a national champion in college in 2021 with the Bulldogs. He's an exciting youngster, lots of requests for this player, so let's get started. Find your page center up and down, your page center across, and we will do George Pickens' head up here. So we got our black marker, pointed tip. We will do the jaw of Mr. Pickens. Go down, come across, round up, and stop. So kind of a U shape. A couple of sideways ovals. We'll bump out, bump out. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna round and connect. We're not gonna pay too much attention to the top because he's gonna have a lot of hair covering this area. So we'll do a couple of sideways ovals. I have them kind of tilted on an angle. Circle on the inside, circle on the inside. Small circle over there. Those circles stay white, okay? Those are the highlights of the eyes. If you've drawn with us before, you've heard it a million times. Those highlights add a little interest, and they represent the sunlight or the stadium lights reflecting off of the character's eyes. And what I do really fast is I like to color this small area on the bottom with a light blue or some type of blue just to add a little color. This represents the reflection of the sun or the sky as they're playing outside. All right, let's do an angle up and down. So George Pickens has these angled eyebrows, so we're gonna do them a little more angled, make them thick, make them thicker, so there we go. All right, find the edge of your eye, come down, do a dot, edge of your eye, come down and do a dot. That is the edge of the nose. So I went down, up, like so. Come from the edge of the nose out. Now he's gonna be smiling here, so we'll do like a bird. He's got a big, wide smile. See how that works? Color the corners of the mouth dark. Bump a little line for the bottom lip. And then I'm going to draw in the top lip here, boom, and connect to the corner. Okay. George Pickens has a big smile. He's got some cheek bones there, and I'm going to scribble in some whiskers. There we go. He's got this chin beard going on. Cool, looking good. So now on the hair, he's got some fun, wild hair. I'm actually, yeah, let's just have fun with it here. If you need to find a picture of George Pickens, Google him up. He's got these shaved sides, so it's real short on the sides. Then he's got some braids coming around, kind of going each side of his head. Couple go down there. Okay, I'll color those in the fast forward. So let's do the neck and kind of angle out, down to a V, connect. Bump out the shoulder pad, bump out the shoulder pad. Round, round. Come down to the waist, straight across, up to the other shoulder pad. The legs are going to come down, round at the knee, and up, down, round at the knee, and connect to the waist. Start wide at the knee, come down, start wide at the knee, come down, and connect. On these wide receivers, I like to make their legs a little longer, a little skinnier. They're usually taller players, taller wide receivers, skinny, because they got to be fast. So that's why these legs are a little bit longer than some of our other characters. There we go. We'll do a shoe, we'll bump up for the tongue of the shoe. 1, 2, 3 bumps for shoelaces. 1, 2, 3 bumps for shoelaces on that side. Bring the shoe out to the edge, drop down, come straight across to the heel, and connect. Bring that heel down, come straight across to the other side of the page, around the toe, and connect to the shoelace. Let's do a big football over here. Round, round, and connect like so. We'll do 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers for the hand holding the football. Bump the muscle out and connect to the football. Bump the muscle out and connect to the football. Same over here. Bump that muscle, bump the muscle, bump. So these muscles are kind of wider. The forearm to the wrist is longer and skinnier, okay? So we'll bring a thumb out and connect. Okay, there we go. Mr. Pickens is looking good, looking good. Since we're gonna do the Steelers black jersey, I'm gonna draw the number in black here. Number 1 and number 4 for the 14. All right, cool. So now we are going to get our yellow. The pants are going to be yellow. I got my kid calling me, so if you can hear the intercom, my kid's calling me in the background. So we're gonna do a black stripe on this side. The socks will be black. Black stripe on this side of the pant. The pants will be yellow. And we're gonna do a yellow stripe on top, yellow stripe on top, and then a big yellow stripe here. Color that in. Big yellow stripe angle down to the number 14. Okay. And what we got going on, outline that yellow stripe, outline that yellow stripe. Oh, I didn't really make it equal, did I? There we go. So we're going to leave that area white. That's why I'm doing that. Okay. So now what we're going to do is hit fast forward. We'll do George Pickens flesh color. We're going to do a black jersey for the Steelers. We'll do yellow pants, black socks, shoes, brown football. And there we have George Pickens. Thanks for requesting George Pickens. Sometimes I don't know which players to do, and I like to hear from the fans, the subscribers. On our channel, we have a lot of views, but not as many subscribers. So let's click that button. Let us know who you'd like us to draw next. Fast forward now.